Holy Presence, be with us and with those we love. Go before us. Remain behind us. Walk beside us. Surround us on every side. We place our lives and our homes under your care. Our trust is not divided. It rests completely in you. You are the strength of our days. You are the peace that guards our nights. We will not fear what rises against us. Your presence sustains us. Remove every trap. Remove every deception. Remove every voice that brings confusion or doubt. Protect our hearts from fear. Protect our minds from lies. Where there is weariness, bring renewal. Where there is sadness, bring comfort. Where there is heaviness, bring relief. Touch every life that cries in silence. Visit those who feel discouraged, those who feel overwhelmed, those who feel lost. Breathe courage into tired hearts. Restore inner strength. We ask for healing. Healing of the body. Healing of the soul. Healing of the emotions. Let pain give way to peace. Let weakness be replaced with restoration. Break every oppressive burden. Lift every heavy weight. Remove anxiety. Remove anguish. Remove fear. Let calm enter the mind. Let peace fill the heart. Let every negative influence leave now. Every harmful intention. Every force that brings division or distress. May light enter where darkness remained. May peace rule where chaos once lived. Protect every home. Protect every family. Protect every step forward. We place every unspoken request before you. Every silent prayer. Every hidden tear. You hear. You see. You act at the right time. Renew faith. Restore hope. Awaken forgotten dreams. We rest in your care. Better days are prepared ahead. Amen.